Hello dear students, welcome to Saivak. Today we want to discuss about dispersion of light by a prism. And actually this dispersion is discovered by Sir Isaac Newton. So before moving to the topic, you should have a basic idea about the light. What is white light? So white light means it's a combination of 7 different colors. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the different 7 colors. And all these colors mixing together, then you will get white light. Okay. Another important point is that wavelength of light. Suppose if you consider the light as a wave like this. Wavelength means, this upper part is what we call the crest, C-R-E-S-T, crest. And the lower part is what we call a troughs, T-R-O-U-G-H. That is called trough. So wavelength means it is the distance between any two adjacent crest or adjacent troughs. Distance between any two adjacent crest or adjacent troughs. That is called wavelength of the wave. And all these things you have studied in standard 8 actually. So the frequency means it is a number of waves produced in a second. For example, in the first case, the number of waves produced something around 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the first case, the number of waves produced 4. In the second case, only 2 waves, 1 and 2. Starting from here, inside here, again here. So only 2 waves produced in the second case. So in these 2 cases, the first case produced maximum number of waves. Means the number of waves produced in a second is called frequency, and the distance between any two adjacent crests or troughs is what we call the wavelength of the wave. So these are some basic ideas that you should keep in your mind while discussing with the dispersion of light. Okay. So here we just consider a triangular glass prism ABC. So for dispersion we need the help of a prism. And here AB and BC are what we call the refracting surfaces of the prism, and AC is the base of the prism. Consider a white light source. White light source means sunlight or any white light producing electric lamp, light, anything. So it should be a white light anyway. Okay. So sunlight, a beam of white light. So we know that this prism ABC surrounded by the medium air, and the prism itself has another medium, that is glass. So we know that here the white light or a beam of white light is entering from air to the glass. Definitely a refraction of light takes place, and also that white light disperses or splits into different colors. Here this white light splits into 7 different colors, and that 7 different colors you can see on the other side of the prism. If you need, you can place a small white screen on the other side, then you can see this colors formation on the screen. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, Vizio. It is what we call a spectrum of colors. So here the white light disperses to form 7 different colors or 7 constituent colors. That is what we call spectrum of colors. And here you can see that red color is at the top and violet color is at the bottom of the spectrum. Why it is so? So here you can see that all these colors are moving with different velocities and refracted at different angles. That is why the spectrum is formed on the screen. Okay, if all the colors are moving with the same velocity, sometimes you will get the same beam of light on the other side, right? But here, all the colors are moving with different velocities and refracted at different angles. That is because of the speciality of the prism. Why? Because here the refracting surfaces AB and BC are not parallel, and also all these colors are moving with the different velocities and refracted at different angles. As a result, a spectrum of 7 colors is formed on the other side of the prism. Again, the red color is at the top of the spectrum? It is because red color has the maximum speed in the spectrum. At the same time, violet color is at the bottom of the spectrum because violet color has the minimum speed. Clear? And also, the red color is known as the least deviated color because it has the maximum speed. So, red color is the least deviated color. At the same time, violet color is the most deviated color because violet color has the minimum speed. Actually, this order, this starting from red and violet, is in the increasing order of the frequency and the decreasing order of wavelength. Means red color has the maximum wavelength, and while reaching violet, the wavelength is decreasing. So red color has the maximum wavelength and violet color has the minimum wavelength. And on the other way, you can say that red color has the minimum frequency, but violet color has the maximum frequency. So this is what we call the spectrum of colors. And this phenomenon is what we call dispersion of white light. Splitting up of white light into 7 different colors is what we call dispersion of light. Clear? It's a very simple idea, and also it is very important that we should follow the same arrow marks, because this arrow mark shows the direction of the light rays. So these arrow marks are very important. Please don't forget to do the arrow marks, and also the order of the colors. Okay, and these basic things should be in your mind: the frequency, wavelength, and the concept of white light. Clear? I hope that this idea is clear for you. Thank you for watching video.